Here we go. We're on our 2001 vacation, and we're going to go fishing in Bishop, California. The truck is loaded, completely loaded to the max. I've got the oil pressure is good. I've got the temperature is good. I got a full tank of gas. We are ready to go.
Whoop whoop! 2021 fishing trip. Now we're here at Tinemaha Reservoir, and we're about to get our poles in the water. Whoop whoop! We're excited. What a beautiful day. Good morning, good morning. We are on the way to Gorge Road to Pleasant Valley Reservoir.
Let's do some fishing.
Whoop whoop!
Happy Veterans Day, by the way.
Happy Veterans Day. Okay, so here we are at Pleasant Valley Reservoir at Gorge Road, and we're gonna go about 1.5 miles in, and that's where all the good fish are at. So catch up with you guys soon.
Good morning, everybody. Alex here, and I got the cart ready, all packed up. Did a little new invention here to hold our poles. We got the net ready to go. We're headed to Gorge Road fishing. Let's do it, Bishop, California.
Woohoo! Look at him go.
Okay, we just made it. We're at the power plant off of Gorge Road, and I guess they call this a boat ramp. Let's see what happens. My brother Nick has already been here half an hour, and he's already picked up on 3.
Woo! Alex got some action. First fish of the day.
Here we go.
Don't be doing that. Yay! We've been here about an hour. We're at PVR, Pleasant Valley Reservoir, and look what I just caught. Woohoo! These red wiggler worms are amazing. Actually, these are nightcrawlers. Check out this bad boy. What a pretty rainbow. Time to get another line out. Woohoo! Yeah! Beautiful! What color? Woo! Caught another one. Did you get a torque now? Caught another one with our super red European nightcrawlers. You gotta get some of these. It's on Amazon. And wow, I love it. So do the fish. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. See him. Beautiful.
He's a keeper.
Honey. He's swimming. Okay.
Keep reeling fast, please.
Wait, I'm doing it. Oh no. Aww. I lost him. Here I go. Steady reeling. Come on, baby.
Keep him coming.
Come on.
Action photo. Action photo.
Man, he's gonna have a good fight.
You don't have to back up.
Oh, I don't have to back up. He's in the rocks. Yeah. Okay. He's on land.
Pick him up.
Woo!
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Tell me what you used.
I used a Moose Dad. I used a Moose Dad single hook with a super red European Nightcrawler.
That's a brookie.
Nice. Okay, tip of the day. Make sure your worms stay inflated, because once that worm sinks, it's gonna go all the way to the floor. And we're not fishing for carp, we're fishing for trout. So make sure your worms are always inflated so they float up on your leader line. That's the tip of the day. Woohoo! Look what I just caught.
Don't put them out there.
Hey, whoops, wrong way. Ooh, nice rainbow. And I got him on red wiggler worms. Got him. Come on, baby. This will be my 5th one. This is gonna be my limit. Well, it's over here. Wow, he's a fighter. Look at this rainbow that I just caught.
Oh, it's a big one.
Just a day in the life of a fisherwoman. Woo! Too much fun. Gotta get another line out. Whoa. Actually, I can't. That was my limit. I'm done for the day. Woohoo! Cut lines. So we had a fun day fishing, and it was time to clean up. And the right thing to do is to clean up your stuff as well as everybody else's. So we got a big bag and we're taking it in to throw it away. Pack in and pack out. That's how you do it.
Okay, everybody. Here at Pleasant Valley Dam, we just fished all day today. We're right next to the boat ramp, and we caught my wife caught her limit.
Woohoo!
I wasn't lucky enough to do it, but as long as I bring her every year, I'm gonna catch my limit. So today was a great day. Okay, catch of the day. The winner of the day was Susie. She caught this bundle. She caught us this one, and these are mine.
Woohoo! We did good. Fish dinner. Woohoo! We had such a fun time fishing at Pleasant Valley Reservoir, also called PVR. And I caught my limit. Good fish fry in a few days. Woohoo! Time to go fishing tomorrow, and let's see how much we're gonna catch tomorrow. I'm sure we're gonna catch our limit. Booyah! Okay, so we had a fun day fishing, and now we're gonna go have dinner.
The good thing about Bishop, California is when you're in town, everything is in walking distance. So we're gonna find a spot where we can walk to and have our meal. So let's go have something to eat.
Yum. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.